Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 715 in Angsana Teluk Bahang in Penang, Malaysia. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. This main door does not need the key to enter. You can lock it via this knob right here. But that is the back of the main door. As you enter this area, you can see a chair right there, the jacuzzi tub. You can see the road in front of the hotel, the car park of the hotel, and you can see the beach right there. Now to enter the main bedroom, living room, kitchen area, you need to use the key card and you go through this door. Okay, so on the back of this door, you have the floor plan. Right there, you have your various light switches, the climate control panel, do not disturb and makeup room switches, as well as a slot to insert the key card for the room's power. Below, you have a power outlet. Here you have some artwork. And right next to the artwork is a flat screen LG TV. This is the view that you get as you enter the room. Right in the middle, you have the dining table with a light right above. Here we have the kitchenette area with cupboards below. Right in here, you have your storage, glasses, tea and coffee making stuff. Here you just have storage. More storage. And this should be the fridge. While the fridge isn't empty, the first round of drinks inside the fridge are free, so you can enjoy them, but after that you have to pay for any refills. Right there you have a toaster together with a coffee machine, Samsung microwave right above. You have the electric hobs right there, bottles of water, the sink, and I believe these are more storage areas. Oh, maybe not. Oh, there you go. Okay, so into the living room, we have the sofas, a table in the middle, another sofa-like slash stool thing. You have the TV guide right there together with the TV remote. And right out of this balcony, you can see the children's pool right there, the beach, the sea, and you can't see it that well, but or rather you can see it at all, but the adults pool is somewhere right there. You also have chairs to sit on the balcony and a table as well. Okay, so here we have more power outlets and USB ports, bin, another light switch, two more power outlets right there with yet another light switch, a mirror right there, hello, and into the first bedroom. It is a twin bedroom. We have bedside tables on either sides of the bed. Here we have your TV remote writing materials, and I think that is a clock which is not turned on. You have your light switches, USB ports, and power outlets. Here we have the bedroom slippers, storage, in-room safe, torchlight, and an extra pillow right above, or storage. Here we have a bin, the ironing board, place to put your luggage, bathrobes, hangers, iron, and storage right above. Okay, down there is a power outlet, climate control panel for this bedroom together with light switches. And right inside is the bathroom for this room. Here we have the bathtub, sink, all your bathroom amenities, towels. There's a weighing scale down there with a bin right there. Another mirror, hello, hooks, power outlets, yet another mirror. Here we have the shower area. It is a dual setup, so you have the handheld shower as well as the rain shower. And right here we have the toilet. Okay, so another flat screen LG TV. And on this bedside table, you just have a light, the USB ports and power outlets, and light switches. Here we have another tiny balcony. I'm pretty sure you can go out. If I can. Okay. Okay, so you can see the lobby of the hotel, the sea, the other wing of the hotel, the road right in front of the hotel with the car park. And now, let's move on to the main bedroom. First thing you see, the bedside table with the TV remote, writing materials, in-room telephone, the clock, power outlets, USB, no USB ports on this side, but you have light switches. The bed, it is quite comfortable, and you have a light right up here. Here we have the wardrobe. Right inside we have a bin, bathrobes, hangers, extra pillow, storage, torchlight, in-room safe, and bedroom slippers below. Right here we have the main bathroom. Off to the left we have the climate control panel, light switches, and a power outlet below. Right inside we have the bin, the bathtub, the sink area. It is dual sinks, so you have one on this side, one on that side, and you have the bathroom amenities in the middle. Towels below, and another weighing scale, hooks, another mirror. You have power outlets on either sides of the sinks, another mirror in the middle with lights on either sides. Here we have the toilet. And right here we have the shower area. Like the bathroom, it is a dual setup, so you have the rain shower as well as the handheld shower. And you have your shower soaps and whatnot right there. Okay, further inside the room, we have a stool, a table, a mirror, power outlets, and the internet port. The third LG flat screen TV in this room. Another angle of the bed. You have artwork right above the bed with a light. This bedside table is empty. But this side, you have USB ports together with the power outlets and light switches. Okay, so there's no balcony on this side. And you can't really see the adult pool from here as well, but yeah, it's right there. Actually, let me go up here. Okay, so you have the children's pool. The sea, the beach. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 715 at Angsana Teluk Bahang in Penang, Malaysia. Thanks for watching and goodbye. Got some complimentary fruits and chocolates, as well as a welcome note.